How to cut cabbage with F and Sharp. A few things to note while selecting your cabbage. It should be heavy for its size, nice tight green leaves without too many blemishes. The outside leaves can have a few, as we're going to remove them anyways. We'll start by cutting the cabbage head in half from the top all the way through the root. Now you'll want to remove a few of the outer leaves of your head of cabbage. How many? That'll just depend on Mother Nature and your preference. Give it a good wash from the outside to the open face cut half, and then drain it thoroughly. And then lastly, just wipe it down with some paper towels. Next, we'll take each half of cabbage head and we'll cut that in half, again cutting from the top of the cabbage through the root end. Now angle your knife about 45 degrees and cut through the core, but you're actually cutting just above it at an angle to remove it completely. To shred cabbage, we'll go in an up and down cuts. You'll want to rest the blade against one of your knuckles, and this will be your guide, and then go ahead and cut it as thin as you want for your shredded cabbage. For some wedges, we'll take a quarter of that cabbage head, again through the top, through the core. You can either leave the core intact or you can cut it at an angle here and remove it completely depending on your preparation. Just going for a rough chop, this can be great for fried cabbage, for instance. And lastly, for cabbage steaks, I'll take a half of the head of cabbage, hold it on its side, but be careful, it will roll around a bit. Then go ahead and cut, keeping your stem end intact. This will hold the layers together for your preparation. To store any cut cabbage, simply wrap tightly in some plastic wrap, set it in a vegetable drawer, and you are good to go. Visit fandsharp.com for more.